Good morning, all of you. Raj, unmute yourself and
Good
let me
morning,
know
sir.
whether I'm ठीक से सुनाई दे रहा हूँ. Good.
Yes.
Okay, so yesterday we were discussing about validity of argument. Is it when we can say that one of the argument is valid? Before that, before going for the validation of argument, we need to understand what we mean by argument. Is it argument किसको बोलते हैं वो पहले समझना है. So let's go for that. Argument is actually argument में दो part होते हैं. Premises and conclusion. Premises and conclusion. So let me take you guys for that. Set of, suppose we are having, दिख रहा है अभी स्क्रीन के ऊपर क्या है? Is it yet blinking? Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Blink.
Yes, sir. It is still blinking, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Let me share it. Of statements, and if मेरे पास कर रहा हूँ P1 P2 P ज्यादा हो गया क्या हुआ? Meghna, unmute yourself, be with me. Meghna, unmute yourself and be with me. Hello. Am I properly audible or not? Preet, unmute कर मेरे साथ रहे.
Yes, sir.
જો અવાજ અનમ્યુટ જ મારી સાથે રે હું કહું ત્યારે મ્યુટ કરજે. અવાજ પ્રોપર આવે છે? સ્ક્રીન પ્રોપર દેખાય
हाँ
છે?
सर अवाज एकदम प्रॉपर आवे છે સર. ખાલી
સ્ક્રીન પ્રોપર
સ્ક્રીન ફ્લિકર થાય છે સર.
સ્ક્રીન હજી ફ્લિકર થાય છે તો પછી એક જ ઓપ્શન છે હવે. લેટ મી શેર માય એન્ટાયર સ્ક્રીન. I think that will help. હવે સ્ક્રીન પણ ફ્લિકર નહીં થાય જોજો. સ્ક્રીન સ્ટેબલ હશે હવે. પ્રીત
યસ સર સ્ટેબલ છે સર હવે.
અવાજ પ્રોપર આવે છે? Is it?
યસ સર અવાજ પણ ક્લિયર છે સર એકદમ.
Okay. So let me start once again. Today we are going for the validation of an argument. Now, before going for the validation of an argument, we need to understand what we mean by an argument. Argument किसको बोलते हैं वो पहले समझना है. Now, so argument is actually the collection of premises and conclusion followed by a conclusion. Suppose I'm having a set of statements like that. If I'm labeling my statements like that, P1, P2, P3 up to Pn. मेरे पास n number of statements है. उसको मैं बोलूँगा premises and it is following by one more statement Q, जिसको मैं बोलूँगा conclusion. Then this particular set premises followed with the conclusion, that entire set will be known as an argument. ठीक है? जैसे कि हम आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हैं काफी सारी बातों पे, जैसे कि इफ यू आर हैविंग वन ऑफ द कोई दो लोग के बीच में आर्ग्यूमेंट है, मेरे और प्रीत के बीच में, देन surely I will have some of the statement from my end with the use of that particular statement. उस statement को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कंक्लूजन में दूंगा कि अगर अगर ऐसा ऐसा है P1 P2 P3 P4, these are some of the valid statements, and उसके बेस के ऊपर मैं कोई एक कंक्लूजन पे आ रहा हूँ, then this entire set will be known as an argument. Will be known as an argument. तो argument में दो पार्ट होते हैं, premises which is followed by one of the conclusion. That conclusion will be a single statement, one of the conclusion. Then this entire set will be known as a argument. तो फिर से एक बार ट्राई करते हैं, P1 P2 P3 up to Pn. If this set of statement is having one of the statement with them, जिसको हम नाम दे रहे Q, is known as argument, जिसमें से P1 P2 P3 up to Pn को हम बोल रहे हैं premises, जो एक और स्टेटमेंट है लास्ट वाला स्टेटमेंट, उसको हम बोलेंगे कंक्लूजन. ये पूरा सेट जो बन रहा है that will be known as argument. Now we will be looking, इसको पहले तो इसको प्रेजेंट कैसे करेंगे, रुक जाओ. We will write arguments like this here. जैसे कि अभी हमने बोला, we will be having some set of premises P1 P2 P3 up to Pn. This particular set of statement will be known as premises, followed by one of the statement. There's this conclusion, and this entire set together will be known as argument. Are we good with this? कितनों को समझ में आ रहा है? Let me know quickly on the chat box. जल्दी से बताइए चैट बॉक्स में, समझ में आ रही बात की नहीं है ना? ओके, नाउ आर्गुमेंट. नाउ क्वाइट पॉसिबल आर्गुमेंट इज वैलिड और इनवैलिड. या तो ये वैलिड होगी और इनवैलिड. हाउ वी मे वैलिडेट आर्गुमेंट? आर्गुमेंट को कैसे वैलिडेट कर सकते हैं? व्हेन वी कैन से दैट आर्गुमेंट इज वैलिड. So for that, we are having one of the proper way to check validation of argument. To validate argument, we will be taking help of tautology. Okay. Now, this argument is valid. This particular argument we will be labeling that argument as a valid, where these are premises, this is a conclusion. Now we will be saying, we can conclude that this argument is valid. This argument is valid if P1 conjunction P2 conjunction P3 conjunction Pn. What is this? This is one of the compound statement using all the premises. सारे premises को मैंने join किया हुआ, देखिए, and says it conjunction से P1 P2 P3 and Pn. If P1 and P2 and P3 and P4 and Tn, it implies Q. If this particular conditional statement is gonna act as a tautology, then and then we may say that this particular argument is valid. तब हम बोल पाएंगे कि ये आर्ग्यूमेंट है वो वैलिड है. Is it? So to check whether our argument is valid or invalid, we will be forming one of the conditional statement. उस conditional statement में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम यूज करेंगे सारी premises, राइट हैंड साइड में हम यूज करेंगे our conclusion. And if that conditional statement is gonna act as a tautology, अगर वो tautology हो रही है, when we can say that one of the कोई भी compound statement है वो tautology है, वैसे कब बोल सकते हैं? If in any of the case we are having a truth value as a true. So अगर ये tautology हो रही है, then we may say that our argument is valid. But important बात क्या है यहाँ पे? to understand the argument. ठीक है, argument के दो पार्ट है, premises followed with the conclusion. ये पूरा सेट एक साथ उसको बोलेंगे argument. So are we good with this? Are we good with this? Now we are having some of the standard argument, like standard argument काफी सारी है हमारे पास में, उसके काफी सारे नाम भी है, उसके लिए जाएंगे. But before that, you need to confirm whether you guys are able to understand argument or not. Argument क्या है, ये समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है? अगर आ रहा है तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? नहीं आ रहा है तो बताइए और डिस्कशन करते हैं इसके बारे में. Let me know quickly. Waiting on the chat box. Mohammed is saying, okay, yes. Mansi, Srinath and Rishabh, good. Good. Let me take you further. Just for example, suppose one of my premises is P. If P then Q. Second premises is P, and my conclusion is Q. Q is the conclusion. Just I'm labeling Q as a conclusion. If I wish to check whether it is a valid argument or not, पहले तो इसको लिखते कैसे है, देखिए यहाँ पे मैं बता दूँ. P implies Q, that is going to act as my first premises. Second premises I am having P followed with one of the conclusion Q. Now ये हो गई मेरी पूरी argument. This is my argument. Now this argument में both these are going to act as a premises, is it? And this is my conclusion. Now if I wish to check whether this particular argument is valid or not, if this particular argument is valid or not, then I will be taking help of one of the compound statement using conditional operator. तो मुझे क्या करना है, इसको उठाना है, दोनों जितने भी premises. For this particular example, I am having two premises only, is it? I may label this as a P1, this as a P2, and this as my conclusion, is it? So what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to form one of the compound statement like that. First premises, conjunction second premises, if P1 and P2, conclusion, which is Q right now. If this is gonna act as, okay, if this is gonna act as a tautology, then this argument is valid. Now, if I'm gonna replace both the values of P1 and P2, P1 क्या था मेरे पास? P1 is P implies Q, conjunction P2 is P. If it leads to Q, then we may say that this argument is valid. Now, ये वाली valid argument है अगर इसके लिए आप, if you are going to form a truth table, if you are going to identify the truth table for this particular, then surely it will gonna act as a tautology. Let us check quickly कि क्या ये tautology होगी कि नहीं होगी. रुक जाओ. Let me erase this ink. So we are going for this particular. We are going to check whether this particular argument is valid or not. And I know that this argument is gonna act as a valid argument. पर एक बात देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? So if we wish to go for a truth table related to this particular compound statement, then in this situation we are having just two statements with us, that is P and Q. So the number of rows we are gonna, the number of possibilities will be 2 raised to 2, that means 4. So मैं मेरा जो table form करूँगा, truth table. Let's decide the order. T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Okay. Now, let's try to build the truth table for this. First of all, I'm in need of P implies Q. P implies Q. Now, Preet, be with me. Preet, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you give me the truth table for P implies Q? If P is gonna act as a true, Q true है, तो P implies Q क्या होगा? True ही होगा. Is it? चल, TF वाले केस में क्या आएगा? Are you good with the conditional statement? Are you good with the conditional statement? हाँ मेघना, तू साथ में रहे, कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, sir.
True, false will leads to, इसमें क्या होगा? True. This is also true. Is it? FF will leads to true. So we're good with this. Now we need to merge that with the conjunction operator with P. So I'm doing P implies Q conjunction with P. Conjunction. Okay. So we'll be focusing on both these columns, first and third. True and true leads to true. True and false leads to false. False and true leads to false. And false and true leads to false once again. Is it? Now we're done with the left hand side. We need to form a conditional statement with Q. So the last column will look like this. P implies Q conjunction P implies Q. Was it? So now we will be focusing on two different columns. One of the column is this and this. But here the order is very, very important. We are looking, this particular row is going to act as a left hand side. This particular column is going to act as a right hand side. So take care for that. Let me change the ink. True, true relates to true. False, false. True. False and true is true. And false, false will once again leads to true. So here you can check, here you can easily verify that this particular conditional statement, ये conditional statement कहाँ से आया, वो हमने बनाया, किस तरीके से बनाया, क्यों बनाया, पहले तो हम कुछ चेक कर रहे, क्या चेक कर रहे, we are validating one of the argument. वो argument क्या है? In this particular argument we are having a set of premises, दो premises है, is it P1 and P2. This is a conclusion Q. So उसके लिए हमने एक पहले तो वो फॉर्मेट बनाया, किस तरीके से बनाते, P1 and P2, if P1 and P2 then Q. अब ये argument है हमारी, we are going to validate that argument. So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, P1 and P2 then Q. If P1 and P2 then Q, तो क्या वो टाउटोलॉजी है या नहीं? अब P1 P2 को अगर आप उसकी वैल्यूज रिप्लेस कर दे, P1 is P implies Q, तो देखिए P implies Q conjunction with second argument that is P2, second premises that is P2 conjunction with P implies Q. So ये वाली एक compound statement हमने form किया, उसको check किया, yes it is a tautology. So we may conclude that yes, this particular argument is valid. So this is one of the valid, or I can say well-known argument. ये एक well-known argument है. Similarly, let me give you one more. Forget about that method of denying. Forget about that particular word right now. उसके बारे में मत सोचिए अभी. Now I'm labeling my argument as A1, A2, and conclusion is A3. A1 and A2 are my premises, and this is my conclusion. This is my conclusion. So I'm going to check whether this particular argument is valid or not. We are looking to check whether this particular argument is valid or not. So for that, what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to form an argument like that. A1 and A2 implies A3. This must act as a tautology. If this is going to act as a tautology, then we may conclude that what is A1? Is negation of Q. It is my, this is going a valid argument. So this is a second example. So if we are going to prepare, if we are wishing to check whether this is a valid argument or not, we need to form a truth table. Is it? We need to form a truth table. So truth table किस तरीके से बनेगा अभी? PQ. Then after we'll be looking for P implies Q. Then after we will be looking for P implies Q conjunction with negation of Q. Negation of Q भी कहीं पे बनाना पड़ेगा पहले. And after that, finally, we'll be looking for the final statement that P implies Q negation, conjunction with negation of Q implies negation of P. So that should be the order of my truth table, order of columns in my truth table. So let's try to verify whether this particular argument is valid or not. Whether this particular argument is valid or not. Okay, wait. Let me erase some of them. Yes. So a truth table will seems like this. First of totally opposite than the Q, it will be F T F T. Is it? Is that? Let me go through the chat box. I'm getting one of the message. So PQ negation of Q, then I will be in need of a conditional statement with P and Q. So if P then Q, who will help me for if P then Q? True will leads to true, true false will be false. This will be true and this will be true. Is it? Now, finally we are looking for this. So I need conjunction of this by this conditional statement with FT F and TT will leads to T. Is it? TT will leads to T. Now, we're done with the left hand side. Now we need to have negation of P1. So let me prepare negation of P. Negation of P will be totally reversed than this. P F F T T, and we are forming a final statement that will look like this. For that, we'll be looking whether it is tautology or not. Negation of Q implies negation of P. Implies negation of P. So now we are focusing on both these columns, both this column, is it? And we are taking help of conditional statement. So F relates to true. F is always true. FT, it is also true, and TT is also true. So here you can easily check this particular conditional statement is going to act as a tautology. So this is tautology. That means what? Both these are my premises, this is my conclusion, and if I'm going to form, if we are discussing about this particular argument, then yes, this argument is valid. Instead of getting T, if it is, it's gonna act as a contradiction or contingency. अगर ये tautology ना होता और contradiction होता या फिर contingency होता, then we will be concluding that this argument is invalid. Then we will conclude that this argument is invalid. Now, let me know how many of you are good with this. कितनों को समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है, जो भी है बताओ प्लीज जल्दी से. I'm waiting on the chat box. All those who are getting this, okay, good. Meghna, Mohammed, Nikita, Darshan, Rishabh, Vidhi, all those who are attending this are supposed to reply on the chat box. नहीं reply कर पा रहे हो मतलब कि नहीं समझ में आया. Vaishali, can you unmute yourself? Vaishali Waghela, unmute yourself. Vaishali Waghela, unmute yourself. Vaishali, unmute yourself. Vaishali, am I audible to you? Vaishali, am I audible to you? Vaishali. Divijit Pala, unmute yourself. I need to remove Vaishali. You're not in position to unmute yourself, then at least you are supposed to drop a message on the chat box, but this is not the way. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Divyajit, are you there? Divyajit, are you there? Unmute yourself. Okay. Maharana, unmute yourself. Maharana, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, समझ में आ रही बात? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. आ रही है.
ठीक है. Vijit, we are waiting, huh? Now, let's check. एक और आर्ग्यूमेंट बनाते हैं, चलिए. Let me pick my pen. Instead of A1, A2, A3, A4, you may use different notation, okay? It's totally fine if you are gonna use P1, P2, P3, and conclusion you may denote as Q. So काफी रेफरेंस बुक में वो P1, P2, P3 का यूज किया होगा, कंक्लूजन को Q बोल रहे, या तो फिर भी हो सकता है using the notation A1, A2, A3 up to A4. Is it? These three are my premises, and this is my conclusion. I need to check. I'm looking to check whether this particular set of statement are gonna form a valid argument or not. So to check that, first of all, let's form an argument. इस यहाँ पे argument को कैसे लिखेंगे? That will be A1 conjunction A2 conjunction A3 implies, is it? And if you are using this particular notation P2, P3, and Q, P1, P3, and Q, then your formation will be like this: P1 and P2 and P3, then Q. So both these are valid notation. This is with the A1, A2, A3 वो वाला notation use किया, यहाँ पे P1, P2, P3 and conclusion को Q बोल रहा हूँ. Now, if we wish to check whether this is a valid argument or not, ये argument valid है या invalid है, valid or invalid. So I'll be looking for one of the conditional statement. This is my conditional statement, and if this conditional statement is gonna act as a tautology, then this argument is valid. So चलिए इसको बनाते हैं कि किस तरीके से दिखेगा ये P1 conjunction P2 conjunction P3. It will look like this: P1 conjunction P2 conjunction P3 implies, followed by the conclusion Q, then P1. What is P1? P1 is P disjunction Q conjunction with P2. P2 is P implies R conjunction P3 or A3, that is Q implies R. I need to check this with the followed with the conclusion Q, which is R. So P disjunction Q conjunction P implies R conjunction Q implies R. If R is my conclusion, then we need to form a truth table for this compound statement. And if that truth table, if that compound, with the use of that truth table, if we can conclude that compound, this particular compound statement is tautology, if this is going to act as a tautology, then it is a valid argument. अगर वो tautology नहीं हो रही है तो ये valid argument नहीं. Are we good? इतनी बात समझ में आ रही है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
दिव्यजीत, तूने अभी तक अनम्यूट नहीं किया बेटा?
यस सर, આવે છે અવાજ?
हाँ, बराबर આવે છે. ચાલ. તું કે શું કરશું? પ્રિમાઇસીસ કઈ કઈ છે જો આમાંથી કેજો મને. પ્રેમિસિસ કઈ કઈ છે? Premises કઈ કઈ છે? These are premises and this is my conclusion. Okay, so
Yes,
જે
sir.
એક conditional statement બનાવશું એ કેવું હશે બતાવો. First premises A1 conjunction A2 conjunction A3. If there's three together, then a conclusion A4. Is it? So A1 is P disjunction Q, conjunction P implies R, conjunction what is A3? A3 is Q implies R, and all this implies with R. तो चल इसके लिए चेक करना है दिव्यजीत कि क्या ये टाउटोलॉजी है या नहीं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक ट्रूथ टेबल बनाएंगे बेटा जिसमें होगा P, Q, R, because here we are using three different statements. P, Q and R से बात हो रही है, तो उस ट्रूथ टेबल की लेंथ जो है उसमें 8 पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती है. Is it 2 raised to 3? It will be 8. So T, 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 F, F, F. दिव्यजीत तू मेरे साथ है अभी. T, T, F,
Yes, sir.
F. लिखवा चल क्या होगा आगे. R को कैसे लिखेंगे? दिव्यजीत अनम्यूट ही रहे, म्यूट मत कर अपने आप को. चल नेक्स्ट कॉलम क्या होनी चाहिए बता दिव्यजीत. व्हाट शुड बी अ नेक्स्ट कॉलम? You're looking for this. You're looking for this. Divyajit, I'm waiting. Divyajit, I'm waiting.
સર ઓલું P arrow R. True.
P implies R. જો પેલા આ બધું રો મટીરિયલ તારે બનાવવાનું છે, બરાબર છે? હવે તું કોઈ પણ ઓર્ડરમાં બનાવ, પેલા આ બનાવી લે, આ બનાવી લે, આ બનાવી લે. ચોઇસ વિલ બી યોર્સ. તો ચાલ એ જો સિક્વન્સમાં જાય આપણે. First go for P disjunction Q. Is it? We'll be looking for P disjunction Q. Chal. We'll be focusing on what this P disjunction Q. Lakha. T or T will gives you T. T, T, T. T, F, T. T, F, T. F, T, T.
T.
T, F and F. Is it?
F. Yes, sir.
When next to બનાવો બોલ. What should
હવે-
be a next?
અરે P અને R નું.
P implies R. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. P implies R. चल लखाओ. This is આ બે ઉપર ફોકસ છે. Punishment છે યાદ રાખજે.
પેલું T.
T, yes, correct.
Second F.
F, good.
T.
T,
F.
correct.
F. F.
No,
T.
no. Observe this. F, if F then T will leads to T.
Okay, sir.
F will leads to
F.
true.
true, sorry.
Conditional statement છે. FT is T. FF is also true. Is it? ચાલ તો આ બની ગયું છે, આ બની ગયું છે. Next we will be looking for Q implies R.
Q implies R.
Q implies R. ચાલ તો we will be focusing on Q and R. Is it? Q implies R.
T.
T will leads to T.
Yes.
TF will leads to F.
F.
FT to T.
T. Yes.
FF T.
T.
TT T. TF
F.
is false. False
Yes.
true.
True.
True. False
And,
false.
true.
is true. Good. Next column will be Q implies R भी हो गया, P implies R भी हो गया. Now we need the conjunction of this three. Conjunction of this three.
Yes, sir.
Conjunction of this three. Now how we can form conjunction of three statements? इन तीनों का conjunction कब कैसे लेंगे चलिए बता. P implies Q. Conjunction.
આપણે આ બે નું લેતા જશું એમ.
બે નું લઈને પછી એની સાથે ત્રીજું કરી લે તોય ચાલે. Fine.
હા.
ચાલ આ બે ઉપર લઈએ પેલા. Both this will be in focus, is it? ચાલ T will leads to T. F T. F TTT, TFF, TTT, TTT, FTF, FTF. Now we will be adding one more with that. P, Q conjunction. P implies R, conjunction with Q implies R. Is it? So we'll be focusing on both this. We'll be focusing on this and this. Let me erase this 3. आबे ऊपर फोकस से चल लगाओ. हाँ दिव्यजीत लगाओ. आबे ऊपर फोकस and conjunction. T T T F F.
પેલું ટ્રુ. હા.
Second one.
F.
F and F. Is it?
F.
So we are done with this. We are done with this. Other than label up, this is capital A. Okay. So A implies R. A implies R. So now we'll be focusing on this with R. This vertical. Okay. T, if T, then T. It is true. If false, false. True.
True.
True, true is true. False, false is true. True, true is true. False, false is true. False, true is also true. And false, false is always true. Now check, this is a tautology. Is it? ये क्या हो गया बेटा? Tautology हो गया. So what is this? This particular compound statement is going to act as a tautology. So if it is a tautology, then we may conclude that yes, this argument is valid. This argument is valid. So exam में question कैसे आ सकता है? Exam में question कैसे हो सकता है? Is it? There will be providing you a set of premises followed with the conclusion. And they will ask, check whether this argument is valid or invalid. एग्जाम में आपको कैसे दे सकते हैं? दिखाता हूं मैं आपको. चलिए कैसे दे सकते हैं? Check whether this is a valid argument or not. Check whether this is valid argument or not. अब इस नोटेशन के साथ अगर क्वेश्चन है, then first of all, you need to generate your argument. You need to understand out of this 3 statement who is going to act as a premises, who is going to act as a conclusion. Conclusion जो होता है ना, उसके आगे therefore लिखा होता है. ठीक है? या तो फिर अगर नोटेशन यूज कर रहे हैं P1, P2 and Q, तो बहुत सिंपली समझ में आ जाएगा कि both these are premises, this is conclusion. Is it? But if they are using the notation A1, A2, A3, तो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए कि लास्ट वाला जो स्टेटमेंट है that is conclusion. So अगर ये चेक करना है कि whether this particular argument is valid or invalid, तो कैसे करेंगे? चलिए कौन बताएगा? मेघना, कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ? हर्षवर्धन तू म्यूट हो जा बेटा. दिव्यजीत म्यूट हो जा. मेघना अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Meghna, unmute yourself. Yes. Now, suppose the question is there in the examination. Check whether validate this particular argument. और सिर्फ इतना ही दिया हुआ है. A1 is P implies Q. A2 is Q implies R, followed with one of the conclusion A3. Therefore, P implies R. तो चल, इसको अगर वैलिडेट करने के लिए पूछ रहा है, वैलिडेट, तो तू कैसे चेक करेगी ये बता? मेघना, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पहले तो तू एक आर्ग्यूमेंट बनाएगी कि नहीं? Is it?
Yes, sir.
वो आर्ग्यूमेंट कैसे दिखेगी अभी? प्रीमिसेस कितनी है यहाँ पे देख? वो दिस आर प्रीमिसेस.
Yes, sir.
जितनी भी प्रीमिसेस है उसको तुझे कंजक्शन से ऐड करना है, मर्ज करना है.
हाँ सर.
implies, इसका मतलब इसको वर्डिंग में कैसे बोलेगी? देख तू, सिंपल है. If A1 and A2, then A3. इसी को तो बोलते हैं ना आर्ग्यूमेंट. If A1 and A2 then A3. Is it? और नोटेशन अगर यहाँ पे अलग है बेटा, P1 P2 और इसको Q बोल रहे हैं, तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? If P1 and P2 then Q. अब ये सही भी हो सकता है, गलत भी हो सकता है. अभी तो ये वेल नोन, ये जो सारी आर्ग्यूमेंट मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ, इट इज वेल नोन आर्ग्यूमेंट, वैलिड आर्ग्यूमेंट है सारी. इसका नाम भी है हाइपोथेटिकल सिलोजिज्म. पर हम अभी तो चेक कर रहे हैं कि क्या ये वैलिड है या नहीं. सो पहले तो तुझे आर्ग्यूमेंट फॉर्म करना आना चाहिए. दिस इज द वे यू कैन फॉर्म आर्ग्यूमेंट. नाउ अब ये चेक करना है कि क्या ये वैलिड आर्ग्यूमेंट है या नहीं. तो ये वाला स्टेटमेंट तुझे देखना है कि अगर ये टाउटोलॉजी है तो ये वैलिड है, टाउटोलॉजी नहीं है तो वैलिड नहीं है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो बता कौन से ऑर्डर में तू चेक करेगी? तेरे टेबल में ऑर्डर क्या होगा? पी क्यू देन आफ्टर आर, 3 तो है ही है. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम?
Sir, P implies Q.
गुड,
फिर Q implies R.
करेक्ट.
और फिर P implies R ब्रैकेट में conjunction. Q implies R.
P implies Q, conjunction, Q implies R, perfect. Sorry, Q implies R, my mistake. Q implies R, and then we'll be forming one of the conditional statement like P implies Q, conjunction Q implies R is to P implies R. Is it? तो उससे पहले P implies R कहीं पे बनाना पड़ेगा, वो भी बना लेंगे. एक और कॉलम हमने बीच में छोड़ दी, that is P implies R, वो भी तो बनाना है. Is it? So P implies R will be there one of the before that. Is it? और फाइनली चेक करेंगे if this particular is tautology, इसमें सब true आ रहा है, then it is a valid argument. Is it? So this is the way one can check a provided argument is valid or invalid. वो form करने के लिए this is the way. Is it? So what is argument? Argument is a set of premises followed with the conclusion, and उसको validate करने के लिए, उसको check करने के लिए we are taking help of conditional statement. Is it? So are we good with this content? आज जो बात हुई उसमें सब comfortable है या नहीं? All those who are comfortable, all those who are good with this are requested to drop a message on the chat box right now. Right now. जितने रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसको अटेंडेंस मिलेगी आज की. Okay, drop your enrollment number. Drop your enrollment number on the chat box for the attendance purpose quickly. Drop your enrollment number on the chat box for the attendance purpose quickly. After dropping that, you may leave the meet.